Hello, fan. Let's find the Mikri and the muddy car. Alright, let's go. Wow, para! What is this, my friend? So many muddy cars here. See? Oh my god. Yes, it is. Beautiful, my friend. Okay. And what is that? Let's see. Oh, amazing. Beautiful. So many muddy cars here. Alright, let's go. We are going to clean them up. Alright. Haha. Beautiful. Okay. Let's go, my friend. Wow. Nice here. Right, swap it, see? Beautiful. Okay. Alright, what is this, my friend? Okay. Amazing, my friend. This is Cruz Ramirez. Nice, my friend. Okay. And what is this? Amazing. This is a tomato. Wow, tomato. Good. Hey. Alright, what is this? This is a tile. See? A green tile.
Right. Oh, nice!
Hey, I've got one.
Okay, no problem. Playing already. Okay. What is this, my friend? Well, this is Formula 1. Good. Very nice. This is the big one, my friend. What is this? Wow, the big one. Truck. Okay. Very good. Let's see, what is this? Oh, beautiful rally car. See? Rally car. Very nice. Okay, what is this? This is alright, rally car also. Good, blue one. Okay, let's see, what is my friend? Woohoo, this is Jackson Stone.
Hey, costume girl! You know, at first I thought you were out here because...
Alright, nice, beautiful. See, what is this, my friend? Wow, that one, everybody knows. This is Lady Mikwi.
See you at the finish line. What? That is something I had made up for the occasion.
The good McQueen.
Okay, Mikwi, very nice. Very nice, my friend. This is Thomas.
Yes, sir, I am, but there are a lot more of them, so it takes long.
Wow, Thomas. Clean, Thomas. Hey, what is this, my friend? This is a plan, my friend. I think you fly. Okay. And what is this? This is Pie Rescue. Beautiful. Okay, Pie Rescue. And this one is the police car. Very nice, police car. Wow, clean, very. And what is this, my friend? See? Oh, this is a monster straw. See? Very good. Hey, and this one is a Tayo again, my friend. See, Tayo?
Pat!
Tile!
What's going on?
Over there.
Huh?
The blue one Tayo. Very nice Tayo, okay? Good. What is this, my friend? See, this is a dinosaurus. Okay, nice. Very good. This one is the green one is a rally car.
Scored 10 wins at his home event.
I'm a bit emotional about that. It's an amazing achievement.
Okay, nice. Whoa, what is this? Sari.
What are you doing here, son? You're gonna miss your race. Don't worry. I'll give you a police escort and we'll make up the time.
Look at that beautiful, my friend, Sari. Hey, this one is a NASCAR, my friend.
In 27th place, and the last car on the lead lap at the moment, and Labonte went around off turn number 4.
Okay. Beautiful, wow. It's good, which is nice. What is this? NASCAR again.
That much, over 20 cars in the lead lap. We cannot take a chance on finishing 25th by running out of gas, so they had to come down and fill it up.
Oh, what's this? A mapping? I don't know, my friend. Okay? No problem. And this one is kind of cheap. Very nice cheap. Okay. Oh, this is, let's see, this is a loader, my friend. Good. Beautiful loader, my friend. Yeah. And this one is a stone. We go stone. Roller fandom. Okay. This one is a old mining. Supposed to be a big truck. Okay. And this one is a yellow one tile.
You took it, didn't you? What? No, why would I?
What do you mean, why? You were jealous?
Okay, tile. And this is what it is. Oh, nice, my friend. This is a... What is this? A double cabins.
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get on safe, so I'm taking 6 shots on.
Okay, nice. Double cabins. Alright. Beautiful drag race, my friend.
It was a very solid elapsed time that he had in his back pocket anyway, but he didn't need any of it because you can see that flinch on the opposite side of the racetrack.
Good. This one, the red one, is a rally car.
Scored 10 wins at his home event.
I'm a bit emotional about that. It's an amazing achievement.
Alright, nice. The last one, my friend, is this beautiful snow tractor. Okay. Good. See? It's clean already. It's no more, my friend. Okay? Very nice. Bye-bye, my friend.